I recently bought a 1985 Norco Montreal SI bicycle. It is in amazing condition. Riding is a pure joy. Here's how it happened. I used to rely on my car for work and travel, but when I decided to sell it to look for another, I couldn't find one right away. After about a month of searching, I stumbled upon this bike on the marketplace and I thought, why not? Choosing this bicycle as an alternative has turned out to be one of the best decisions I have made. A few words about the bike itself. It's a classic city bike designed for comfortable urban riding. Known for its lightness and maneuverability, it's perfect for daily use. The bike features a lightweight aluminum frame for durability and corrosion resistance, reducing weight without compromising strength, equipped with quality components like cranksets, shifters, and brakes from Renault to manufacture. It's reliable and durable even at 39 years old. Now it's time to like and subscribe to this video. Let me share a bit about Norco, the Canadian company that conquers the market. Interesting facts about this company. History founded in 1964 in Port Whitemal, British Columbia, Canada. Narco bicycle started as a small workshop and quickly grow into a prominent bicycle manufacturer. Innovations. Narco is known for its innovative developments in the bicycle industry, pioneered the use of aluminum in bike frames and actively advancing the mountain bike segment product range. Narco offers a wide range of bicycles including mountain road, city, children bikes, and e-bikes, catering to various market segments and customer needs. Professional bikes. The company actively supports competitive cycles and sponsors professional teams and athletes. Their bikes are frequently used in top level competitions. Environment responsibility. Narco is committed to reducing its environment footprint using eco-friendly materials and technologies in bike manufacturing. I truly love bicycles and I believe they are fantastic for daily transportation. Whether or not a bike is right for you depends on where you live and your community distance, but personality, I get immense satisfaction from riding one. If you're on the fence about getting a bike, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and remember, you can because I can. Bye.